Today, let's discuss seasonal indicators.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Looking at a calendar to figure out what season, what day, what month it is pretty common. We all do it. However, did you know that Mother Nature provides you with different seasonal indicators for those of us who don't have a calendar or who live completely off the grid, that we have to keep track of our own days? One really good way to tell what season you're in is by the growth rate of the cool and the warm seasonal grasses. Cool grasses start growing as soon as it gets cool outside, stop growing whenever it gets warm, and then the warm grasses do the same thing that the cold grasses did. And you can use them as an indicator to know, oh, cold weather's coming. Oh, it's getting ready to be fall. Oh, it's winter because there's snow on the ground on my grass. Anyway, it's kind of like a weather rock. You know how you put a rock outside and if it's wet, it's raining. If there's snow on it, it's snowing. Basically the same thing with these grasses. Another useful tip for knowing the season is by the soil temperature. If you have a soil thermometer, I suggest putting it into the ground 3 to 4 inches. This is going to give you the temperature of the soil. I would take that temperature in a couple of different places around your yard, so that way you can kind of get a median temp and you can know exactly what is going on outside. Also, we live on a homestead. Most of us have farmers all around us doing farming things. And farmers do things specifically at the same time each year. For example, in early spring, you're going to see farmers starting to plant their wheat. You're going to see them out in the field with their big combines and their big seeders and their plowers and whatever those big machines are called that they have. I'm not a farmer. I don't know. But you're going to see them out in their fields and their pastures and wherever they're planting their stuff at, and you're going to see them starting to get ready for the season. As soon as you start seeing all the farmers planting their corn, you know it's the middle of spring. We are basically surrounded by cornfields. Cornfields and soybean. That is mostly what the farmers plant here in Illinois. Well, in my area of Illinois. So I know that every time whenever I see the farmers out there planting their corn, that it's the middle of spring. In late spring or early summer, normally they're done by early summer, but late spring and early summer, that's when the farmers begin to cut their alfalfa. You're going to see them out there cutting, making bales. You're going to see them laying out in the fields. That's how you know that spring has come to an end and summer is getting ready to begin. The final and most obvious way that I have to share with you to know what season it is, your seasonal indicators, is by air temperature. If you have a thermometer outside, it's going to tell you what the temperature is. If it's freezing cold, we're in the middle of winter. If it's mild with some leaves falling off the trees, then we know we're in fall. If sprouts are coming up from the ground and the temperature is starting to warm up, we're in spring. If it's hot, 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 and all we want to do is lay in some water or the lake or whatever we have, we know it's summer. There are so many different seasonal indicators that you can use besides having a calendar. It's okay to go completely and totally off the grid. I would love for you to share your thoughts with me. Tell me some other seasonal indicators that you use that are worldwide or specific to your region. I would love to learn new things, see your videos, your photos, and read your comments. Please leave them down below. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with all your homesteading, farming, gardening, chicken tender friends. And subscribe to my channel for new videos all the time.
Thank you for watching today's video on homesteading farm life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.